This is question 30 and it's a question involving algebra. So in part A, what we've got to do is make Q the subject of this equation. So we've got to take the Q and that's got to become Q equals something. So to do that, what I can do is start off with P equals 6Q plus 7. And I can try and get rid of everything that's on the same side as Q there, so it's on its own. And the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this plus 7. So I'm going to take away 7 from both sides. And that leaves me with P minus 7 equals 6Q. And then I'm going to get rid of this 6 that's multiplying the Q there. And to do that, because that's times in, if I now divide both sides by 6, which I can show as a fraction there. So dividing both sides by 6, the 6 will cancel there. And I'm left with Q on the right there equals P minus 7 over 6. And if I did want to, I can just change the order there. So I can just say Q equals P minus 7 over 6. And I've only done that just because it looks a bit nicer if the thing that you're making the subject is on the left-hand side. So now we're going to look at part B, which involves indices, so which is another word for powers. And we can see we've got m to the power minus 2 in a bracket to the power minus 3. And there's a rule that if you've got a power on the inside of a bracket there and a power on the outside of the bracket, you can actually multiply them together. So the new power on the m is actually minus 2 times minus 3. So we're multiplying the minus 2 on the inside with the minus 3 on the outside. And if I multiply two negative numbers together, a minus times a minus will actually give me a plus. So if I do that, I've got negative times negative is a plus, and the 2 times the 3 is a 6. So that can just be written as m to the 6. And that's our final answer there. So I hope that's been helpful to you. And if it has, please consider subscribing to our channel and also giving the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.